today I've got the vibe here. It's time for another upgrade. This time it's going to be the headlights, because these old stock style halogens just are not doing the trick anymore. And the good people from Auxito sent me some LED headlights to try out. And I'm looking forward to it. Now, they do make quite a wide range LED lights, various makes and models and years. So there'll be a link down below. Check it out. And there'll be a discount code down below as well. So you can get 15% off. So use the link, use discount code, get you some LED lights. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the sun to go down. I'm going to mount my GoPro on the hood. That way I got a constant variable of to catch the light, and I'm going to take a drive in this once it gets dark enough. Basically show you the halogens and what I'm working with now, and then we'll repeat the process with the LEDs, and I'll take these out of the package and show you what they look like before I put them in. So, again, once it gets dark, we're going to get to it. Alright, so let's open them up. What we're going to do is install them and give them a shot. Okay, now through the power of editing, I'm going to show you how easy these are to install. Obviously there's a lot of light, so you kind of get what's going on. Halogens are back in, so I can show you just how easy and simple it is to install these, because they really do go in with zero modifications. So, just going to reach over here behind the headlight, unplug the harness, pull this little rubber boot off. There's a little clip right here. Push down, push in and down. And it comes out like that. Grab right here. Simply pull that out. They only go in one way. Prongs like that. So all I'm going to do, slide it into place, just like that. Make sure it's all the way in. There are 3 notches for the 3 prongs around the edge to set in. Once you're there, just push that back, clip back in, and there's a little slot that hooks into. It's secured. Now let's grab the rubber boot. Put it back on. And then simply just plug the harness back in. And that's it. LED lights are an upgrade, for sure. I don't know how much the camera picked up, but I was able to see much more on the road. A much clearer, cleaner light, because the color, there is no interruptions in the light beams. All that good stuff. Also, when upgrading to LEDs, you always get the added benefit of reflective surfaces such as street signs, lines and markers on the road, and any other thing with reflective surfaces such as traffic cones, bicycle, all that good stuff. LEDs just reflect better off that, and you can see them from further away, and they're more noticeable, so it's a lot safer when driving at night. So they're good. I can't complain about them at all. They're not overly bright either, which is a good thing, because you don't want to hurt other people's eyes and distract other people while they're driving. I think a lot of people forget that. So these work, light up the road, make it easier for me to see without bothering other people. Because with them on, I walked around, looked down, they didn't really bother my eyes like some other LEDs have. And you don't want to be that person that is blinding other people on the road, because that's just rude. So there it is. These Auxito LED headlights work. Can't complain. Easy. Fit right in the stock housing. Perfectly plugged right in. No issues. And improved the field of vision. So it's a win-win. Now remember, link below. Check it out. Headlights, taillights, trigger lights, all that good stuff. And don't forget to use the discount code as well. I hope you enjoyed this episode. As always, thanks for watching.